A large number of online shoppers abandon their carts before completing a purchase. They add products to the cart but skip completing the purchase. In this video, we will show you how to recover abandoned carts in WooCommerce. This can turn your lost sales into revenue automatically. There might be several reasons behind cart abandonment, such as costs, complicated checkout process, payment concerns, and so on. Good news is, abandoned cart email reminders can recover a significant portion of these lost sales. Here comes Retainful, a powerful cart recovery plugin for WordPress WooCommerce sites. Retainful sends automated abandoned cart recovery emails to capture lost sales. It offers a number of effective features including guest email capturing, pre-built automated email reminders, single-click cart recovery, analytics and tracking for abandoned carts, and more. Retainful is a strong player among its peers thanks to a great pricing and feature list. You can get Retainful from the link in the video description. Now let's see how to create an abandoned cart recovery email campaign using Retainful. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is install the Retainful plugin. To do that, we are going to go to the plugin section and click on Add New Plugin. From here, we're going to search for Retainful, and here is the plugin. We are going to click on the Install Now button and wait for the plugin to install. After the plugin has been installed, we're going to click on the Activate button to activate it. Once the plugin has been activated, we have to connect it. To connect it, we need an app ID and app secret key, and then click on the Connect button to connect it. First, what we need to do is click on Get Started for Free button over here, and it's going to lead us to the Retainful website. Now, if you already have a Retainful account, just simply add in your email and password and click on the Login button to log in. Or if you don't have an account, just simply click on Sign Up, add in your email and password and click on the Sign Up button. Then verify your account and get your app key and secret ID key and go back to your website, paste those information over here and click on the Connect button to connect your website with the Retainful service. We already have connected our site with Retainful, and now we are going to visit our dashboard. We're simply going to log into our Retainful account. Okay, so this is our Retainful account. Once you create your account and connect to your WordPress website with Retainful site, then you can log into your Retainful dashboard over here. Now, to add the abandoned cart recovery process, what we are going to do is click on this Automation tab, and currently we do not have any workflows. To add a workflow, we can click on this button, Create Workflow, and you can see there are several workflows over here. We can start from scratch or we can pick any of the templates. Now there are a lot of these templates such as welcome new customers with unique coupons, product specific follow-up emails, abandoned cart recovery with unique coupons. So this is the template that we are going to use. Now to use this template, simply click on this Use this template button, and it's going to open up this workflow. Now if you haven't seen this workflow before, don't worry because this is really easy to do. All these blocks are added over here. These are going to help us with the abandoned cart recovery. Now, since this already is a template, we do not have to manually build this workflow. We can just use this and tweak some of these settings to customize it, feature completely our own. So the first block is the trigger block. The trigger block is when someone started a checkout. So when someone starts a checkout, this abandoned cart is triggered. And after it's started, the next option is that it's going to wait 1 hour before moving forward. Now, if we click on this block, we can edit it. So here we can edit how long this automation is going to wait. We can select by minutes, hours, or days. So you can wait 2 hours, and then we can click on the update button, and it's successfully updated. Now we can see that it's going to wait 2 hours, and within those 2 hours, if the user hasn't checked out yet, it's going to send the user an email. Now this is an email block. To add this block, you can click on this plus button and it's going to give you a bunch of blocks that you can add. The time delay, send email, coupon, if else, add to-do list, remove from list, and integration. So this is something that we cannot use because we're using the free version of this service. So we're going to close it up and just see how this email block works. If we click on it, we can edit its content. The first is the title, which is a gentle nudge. Of course, you can change it to whatever title you prefer. Then there's the subject, forgot something, your cart misses you. So this will be the subject of the email. And the preview text will be just checking in. Your cart items are longing for a home. Again, these are all customizable. The next option is the smart sending. Now, it's recommended that you use this service because enabling this will ensure that your customers aren't overwhelmed with emails. So if we read over here, it says, make the most of this handy feature to avoid email overload. It helps you skip sending emails to contacts who have already received a message from your other workflows or campaigns within the set threshold period, like 24 hours, in your email settings. So it's a good idea to enable this smart sending feature. Again, you can also customize your email content. If we click over here, it's going to take us to the email that's going to be sent. Here you can actually customize your email. You can switch desktop or mobile devices, and then you can customize the email from top to bottom. You can add in your own logo, you can add in your text, you can add in buttons, you can add in the cart summary over here, finish checkout. All of these are customizable. You can drag and drop the contents from here, and you can customize this. For example, I've added this button. I can add the link, so where this button will lead to. So this entire email is customizable. You can change the text, you can change the color of the text, you can add buttons, images, etc. Okay, so after you're done, you can also send the test mail to check if this is working or not. Okay, and you can also take a look at the preview if you want. But we are not going to do that. We're simply going to save. We are fine with all of these options. Now we're going to close it up. Okay, so this was our email. So once you're done, you can simply click on update. And now we are going to move to the next step. So the next block that has been added is the wait. So it's going to wait for 1 day before moving forward. If we click over here, we can actually customize this as well. We can set the waiting period to minutes, hours, or days. We can set a delay until a specific time of the day. We can set a delay until a chosen day of the week. So this also has some advanced features. After this, we are going to see that generates a coupon. So this is this coupon block. So since your customer hasn't responded in 1 day, you can sweeten up the deal. You can generate a coupon and give them some discount. So here you can add the value of the discount. You can set its validity if you want. So it's valid up to 5 days. Currently it's selected 5 days. You can reduce the validity. You can apply if the order value is at least. From here, you can exclude sales items from here and apply only for specific products. Although this is optional, you can enter a product IDs from here. So to do that, you can simply add the product IDs in a comma separated format. For example, 55, 79. So you can add those products, and for only those products, this coupon will be applied to. You can also exclude specific products from this coupon as well. So once you're done, you can simply click on update. And after creating this coupon, what you can do is notify your customer. So let's see over here. Here's the second email. Sweeten the deal. Treat yourself. Enjoy 10% off your cart. Get 10% off your cart for the next few days only. Now we can enable the smart sending for this one as well, and we can edit this email as well. So once we're done, we can click on update. And then we are going to see another waiting period. So this waiting block is going to wait for 2 days. And after it's done waiting, it's going to send one last email. So this is the last email. And here it says the last call. And here the title is last call, last chance. Your cart and discount are expiring. Final hours, your cart and discount code will vanish soon. So if the customer doesn't respond even after this email, there are no more blocks. So our automation is going to end over here. If you want, you can also add more blocks, but that is up to you. But this is our abandoned cart automation. So once you are ready with this, you can click on the Start Workflow button. So if we click on the Start Workflow, and it's going to ask us, and we're going to click on Start Workflow again, and the workflow has been enabled. Now let's close it up. And here we can see that our workflow is live. So you've just created your first abandoned cart recovery email workflow. To ensure the best email delivery rate, explore your Retainful account settings and tweak them accordingly. Now we use the free version of Retainful to add this feature, but if you get the premium version of this plugin, you'll get much more features. So let's go ahead and see some of these plans. So if we click on choose a plan, we can see the plans right over here. So we use the free version, and we can see that the free version allows us 500 monthly emails. You can have email sending domain. You can have the drag and drop email editor, pre-built email templates. You can have the market automation, and all these features you're going to have. But some of the features that you're not going to have is the remove Retainful branding. You can see that the number of active sign-up forms or pop-ups, there's only one. And there are a lot of features that are missing, such as the users, access control, customer support, live chat support, personalized onboarding, dedicated onboarding specialists. But with the paid version, you can see there's the starter plan. It's available for $19 a month. Here you can get 10,000 emails monthly, and you can get all the other features except for personalized onboarding and dedicated onboarding specialists. You can have 2 users, you'll have access control, and you will have 25 number of active sign-up forms and pop-ups. And finally, there's the growth plan, which is available for $49 a month. It will give you access to 20,000 monthly emails, 25 automation workflows, and personalized onboarding and dedicated onboarding specialists. So with it, you can have all the features of Retainful. So that brings our tutorial to an end. We hope that this was helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. So thank you for watching. See you next time.